Meghalaya Cabinet Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh on Tuesday said that the state cannot have multiple capitals, but assured that the Chief Minister will visit Tura on July 24th. She further said that the demand will lead to different districts demanding for some or the other thing.
The state of Meghalaya has a very divergent combination of districts. So now everybody, in my opinion, if everybody is going to be rising and saying, bring the winter capital here, bring the spring capital there, bring the summer capital there, then it's all going to go wrong. The very fact that so many blocks have recently been installed and put in position. What is the idea behind the installation of all of these blocks? Basic idea is to bring administration closer to the public. It would be not correct to consider any kind of a capital anywhere else.